Hey, what's up everybody, it's Tay and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. If you haven't guessed already, we're doing a spooky pumpkin makeup tutorial. I'm starting off with the orange paint from Mayron Makeup. And to apply the orange paint, I'm using a fluffy foundation brush, but you can use any brush you like. So after applying that even coat of orange paint, we are going in with the red on the eyes. I want my pumpkin to look a little bit rotted, so we're just going to blend that out. And with a small brush and black face paint, I'm going to create my pumpkin smile. Now I'm just freehanding my smile with the black paint, but if you aren't sure where you want your smile and you don't want to mess it up, it is okay. You can just get a white eyeliner and just lightly trace. Getting started on the eyes, I just applied the same black face paint on the eye in a triangular shape. You can do whatever shape you like. And then I just set that with black eyeshadow. And then taking my blending brush, I'm just going to blend that out. Now I'm creating pumpkin creases with dark eyeshadow and a little bit of the black, and I'm just blending that out. I want my pumpkin to look a little bit wicked, so I'm creating extra lines with the black eyeliner. And then again with the brush, I'm just going to blend that all out. Applying the eyeliner is completely optional. I'm just doing this to make my eyes appear darker. I wanted my eyes to look a little bit more darker and wicked, so I just winged the black eyeliner that I used previously up and down the eye. Next, we are taking liquid latex, which is my favorite, and we are applying that right where I stopped the pumpkin. After your liquid latex is dry and set, we are going underneath with some blood, which is my favorite. Next, on the right eye, I'm just going to do a soft glam look, which should be pretty quick. It's just the winged eyeliner, lashes, and brown eyeshadow. I'm applying that in the crease, and we're just going to blend that out. Instead of doing a triangle nose, I actually did mine a little bit more feathered out, which you'll see later in the video. So a few touch-ups later, and this is the final result. Hope this video was easy to follow and fun to create this look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box below. Thanks for watching, and happy Halloween!